Welcome to Florida.
Yeah. Now I gotta try the back seat.
So I did the back earlier. I like the front more.
The front's better?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'd have to do another ride in the back.
I guess it pushes you into the hills more,
I feel
right?
like it was a little bit faster feeling in the front.
Oh, interesting. So more of a front seat ride then.
Yeah. Good family roller coaster.
Yes.
Definitely good for kids.
A good starter.
Yeah, yeah. This is a good one. SeaWorld needed that too. Like Icebreaker was almost too intense.
That's right. You go for Grover's boxcar racer too.
Oh wait, no, this is a really good transition.
That's right. Icebreakers are actually pretty intense.
Yeah,
actually.
Icebreaker's really intense. Like they were marketing as a family coaster.
Oh really?
But really, honestly, I feel like it's not.
There's some pretty good ejector and
Yeah,
nothing.
there's a lot of ejector. This is definitely a good stepping stone. Like my friend's afraid of roller coasters. I think she would do this though.
Yeah. This was nice and smooth. Nothing too intense. No large drops.
No drops. Just fast and smooth.
No insane airtime.
Yeah, you gotta go for makeup for that one.
Yep. Definitely, this might be the shortest line today. I noticed the parking lot.
I know, the wait times are pretty long.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I gotta go now, so I can't ride anything else.
Yeah, so I saw the parking lot. I was like, insane here. It's
Once again, please do not touch or lean on the boarding gates. Thank you.
all right.
Great!
Yes.
Yeah, we're so excited. This is our first time. Okay.
It's very smooth.
I like your camera.
Oh, thanks.
Great camera. I want to get one of those. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.